Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. Today I have brought you few job and an internship updates. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe our channel for latest updates. Starting with the first job, Siemens is providing software developer role in Gurugram, India, and the required skills and experience is that you must be BTech, MCA, MTech, computer science, electronic or electrical student, 0 to 2 years of project experience, preferably in real-time applications. You need to have experience in web development using TypeScript, Angular 4, HTML5, etc. And the second job update is from Lenovo for engineer post. Job location is in Bangalore, and the required skill is that you must be BTech, ME, Tech in computer science or equivalent with 0 to 4 years experience in software development and or test. The third update is that from Philips for software engineer first full-time opportunity, and the location is Bangalore, and the skills or experiences that you must be master or bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or similar discipline with 0 to 2 years experience in software development with hands-on in Java, C Sharp, .NET Core, microservice based design. And the fourth update is from Uber for software developer, backend in engineering in Bangalore, India. There is no specific skills mentioned, so any fresher or experienced candidate can apply. All the links is given in our LinkedIn page, so you can directly apply with these links. uh, and the last update is an internship from Xiaomi India for test intern, 0 to 6 month business unit product. So you can apply so any university student can apply in this, or any graduate. There is no specification, so you can apply. uh, Thank you.